Here's the latest 1953 Chevrolet 3600 that we just got in. Now available to purchase here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Nice looking truck. This is all steel. See the bright work, chrome, very nice shape on the grille, bumpers. Still set up pretty much as a stock Chevy from 1953 as the inline 6 underneath the hood, paired with a manual transmission. It does have a heater in it. You can check out the still pictures if you like to see the engine bay and underneath the hood. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll also see pictures of the interior, the underside. You'll be able to check this truck all over. Go ahead and go to our website. Paint's in nice shape. There's a few blemishes here and there, but not too bad at all. I'll kind of point them out as we get around to them. It has had a aftermarket, a little later model AM/FM radio installed in it, so it does have a radio installed in there. There's a few I noticed back here. See if I can get them to stand out. There'd be a little spot, a few little spots like that. I'll find another one on here. Otherwise, overall truck is pretty darn clean. Here's a couple little blemishes back there, but you can see the paint's got a decent luster to it. It's laid on there quite nice. Come around to the rear bumper and see the chrome on that is also in nice shape. Tailgate's not all beat up like many of them that you've seen. Inside of the bed, I believe that would be an oak bottom there. Oak bed in it, also in nice shape. Truck has obviously been repainted and refurbished along the line. Doesn't look like it's got a lot of miles on it since that was done. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire on this vehicle or maybe transportation to where you're located at. You can give us a call at 507-386-1726. Side mounted spare. Slip around to the driver's side here. Let's check out the interior and we'll fire it up so you can hear it run also. Very smooth running truck. Drive out just like you'd expect a stock 53 Chevy too. Here you can see the doors have been painted up nicely. Vinyl seat recovered. Interior, like I said, pretty much retains the stock look, except for that little later model radio that's been installed. Let's go ahead, hop in here, we'll fire it up for you. Stock looking dash. Radio does work, and the speakers are actually installed in there, as you can see. Just go ahead and fire it up. Turn the key on, starter's down on the floor. See how easily it starts and fires up. Gauges do work. Pop out so you hear it run. Nicely the door closes. Come around to the back here, that inline 6 per. That cool stock 53 Chevrolet 3600. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. We'll pop the hood so you can get a look at the engine bay and see how smooth that engine runs and get a listen to it here in a second. Alright, there you go. Get an idea what the engine bay looks like in there. We'll paint it up more. And like I said, it did have a heater. You can see the heater hose running up into the floor and through the firewall there, the cowl. There you have it, 1953 Chevrolet 3600 pickup. Pretty much all stock. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or like I said, feel free to check out the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.